All right. So you pulled out your white spring sneakers and notice that the soles are not as white as they used to be. This used to bother me as well, but now I embrace the aged look. I've had these shoes for 6 years and I think it gives them character. But I know not everyone will like this. So I'm going to show you how to make these look new out of the box again. Let's get started. So you will need a few items for this tutorial, such as an old toothbrush, masking tape, saran wrap, and the secret sauce. Salon Care 40 Volume Cream. Now you could grab this at any beauty store, but I'll make sure to link everything in the description. Step 1. Give it a good cleaning and make sure there is no dirt or residue left over. Step 2. Cut a piece of saran wrap that is slightly longer than the shoe. Step 3. Use your toothbrush to pick up some of that volume cream and gently apply it on the soles. Upper of the shoe has any color other than white, then you would need to cover it with masking tape. This solution could cause a chemical reaction or burn and discolor the shoe, so make sure you mask it right. Do not try to scuff it while you're applying the cream. We are only letting the volumizing cream sit. Once you have applied the cream, you are going to seal the insoles with the saran wrap. Make sure it's completely wrapped because it needs to retain that moisture before moving on to the next step. Step 4, let it sit in the sunlight for a minimum of 2 hours. After 2 hours, unwrap it and give it a good wipe to get rid of the excess cream, and look at the result, a night and day difference. I've been using this method for years and it has never failed me. If the soles are really yellow, you may need to do another session or two. You do not need much to start off, so you'll have a lot left over, but make sure to save it because there is a high chance you're going to do this again. And that's it. And that wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. And please make sure to like this video as well as subscribe for other men's how-to content. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.